Welcome to our weekly roundup and welcome to Gardening with Ben. So this is our weekly roundup of what we've been up to down at the allotment and in the garden this weekend. We have been busy. To say it's been absolutely chucking it down. Yesterday we have got lots and lots done. Rain doesn't stop me. The only thing that stops me coming to the allotment is snow. I'll even come when it's frosty or when it's chucking it down, windy. I'll always come down at the weekend because this is my happy space and the space that I love to spend my weekends. So what have we been up to this weekend? Well, we hit 29k followers on Facebook. Absolutely amazing. I can't believe it. That's why I started all my social media on Facebook, and the community we've got on there is absolutely brilliant. I love it. And yeah, it just keeps on growing. We're getting about 1,000 followers on there every month, so it's getting massive. Soon we'll be at 30k, fingers crossed within a month. We'll see how well we get on with that. So yeah, keep sharing, keep liking the post and keep commenting and helping me grow my page. So this weekend we have finished off potting up the easy fill hanging baskets. We've put strawberries in the top and they're all fed. We've put some food in them. We're giving them this week's watering. We're only watering them once a week to start off with, as you don't want to cause root rot, which can happen with strawberries. So we'll water them once a week. When it gets a bit warmer, we'll water them possibly twice a week, and then when it gets really warm, every single day. But we're going to set up a drip irrigation system for that, so it'll keep them watered on a regular basis. I'm going to get a solar pump, and yeah, I've used one in the past and they're absolutely brilliant. We've also finished off building all our raised beds in here in the polytunnel. So we've got 14 raised beds in here now, so 14 new places to grow produce. This gets the full sunlight in here and it gets warm, so things will grow a lot faster and better in here because you won't get as many pests or things disturbing it or birds and stuff in here. So yeah, fingers crossed we get some great produce in here. So I'm still thinking about what to grow in each bed at the moment. I'm going to have to draw a plan, like I always say, draw a plan and have a look at what seeds are around to grow. I want to grow some unusual stuff as well, so we'll have a look around and see what we're getting growing in them. We've also planted out our foxgloves, which I grew from seed. We started them off in August, September time, and yeah, they're looking healthy and really big. So I planted them outside because I'm running out of space in the shed. I'm going to need that for growing all my seeds next month. That is our busy month, March, when we sow all our seeds. The only ones we've got sown at the moment are chilies, peppers, aubergines and sweet peas. We've sown our sweet peas as well this weekend. We've got them done in our root trainers, which we got from Oakland Gardens, and yeah, we've got them sown and hopefully we'll get some great sweet peas down at the plot this year. So overall we have been very busy down here at the plot, and I filmed some videos for you for this week and hopefully you'll get to see them all. So make sure you hit the bell so that you see all the videos what come up. But next weekend we're gonna have another busy weekend. I think it's gonna turn a bit colder this week, so they've said. So we'll see what jobs we've got to do next week. We haven't got much to do at the moment. We're just tidying up. Like I said, March time is when I sow all my seeds, when it's warmer in my unheated greenhouse. I've done that for years now and everything's grown really well. So we wait for March before we sow all our seeds. So it's a busy time down at the plot. I'm looking forward to this year and seeing what we grow and hopefully get some good success down here at the plot. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this weekly catch up, and thanks for all the shares, the comments, the likes, the support that you do give me. It really does mean a lot, and I love this little gardening community we've got. So as always everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.